Hey friends, I am going to show you just how to set up a Facebook party group on Facebook. I've already set this one up, so I'm going to set up another one. I am going to set up a group, so I'm going to hit the create button. It might be a plus sign, it could just be the word create, depending on which version of Facebook you have. Then I'm going to click group. And I am going to make Shannon's Sseko Gathering for Good, and I'm going to choose private, and then I'm going to find my friend Shannon. There she is, and I'm going to create it. And once I hit create, it should pop up as just kind of a blank screen. First thing I do is I upload a photo. So I have all my Sseko in a folder right here, and I have them highlighted which ones I want. This is the 2020 Fall Winter Facebook. So I have all the graphics in there. I might have some extra graphics I throw in there. But these are the Facebook headers. I'll choose one of these. I'm going to choose the green one. And then I will put that there and save it. Meanwhile, I also have, okay, so I'll say save changes. If you don't save, it goes away. So you definitely have to save the photo there. Okay, and then I want to do my first post. So I have my Word document, my Facebook party event page template for the fall open. And so what I do is I do the first post right away. Okay, 9:30 CT. Okay, I think this is 8:30 ET. Okay, I can't remember what time I said I would do this with this gal, but I'm going to just make things up. Wednesday. How do I even spell Wednesday? It's been a week already and it's Monday. Okay, so let's do 9, she's 9:23. So I edit all these details. Definitely need to edit her name, Shannon. I usually add other returns. The new version of Facebook takes away those spaces, so then it's all crammed together. And then I go back to my Sseko folder. I find my grand prize raffle graphic and I put it in there. So this one I'm not going to schedule. If you want to schedule a post, you click the calendar icon, but I am just going to post because this is for Shannon's event next week. See, okay, so it's spaced out okay. Excuse me. But that's basically how I set up the group. So if I wanted to do more posts, I'll do create a post, and I'm going to do schedule, I'm going to schedule the first post, which is, I think, the Sseko story. So I copy this information right here, and then I do the returns again because it's a little bit of a punk. And then I find my Sseko story video. So I have all the videos, everything organized in one folder. So it's just easier to find. And so I'm scheduling this 2 days before her party. Her live is on the 23rd of September. So I'm going to do it, she's on Wednesday, her live event. I'm going to do it on the 21st in the afternoon sometime. So I'm going to do 21st. I'm going to just say 3 p.m. because that's about 4 p.m. Eastern time. I'm on Central, so that's why I'm saying that. So schedule. So right there, you'll see that. Let's go check it. Oh, it'll take a second for video. So I'm going to go back. Got to click the home button. I'm going to do the next post. It's right here. Got to make sure I have everything. Put that in. Gonna hit enter, and then this will be later that evening on the 21st. So I'm going to put the impact graphic right there, and then I'm gonna hit schedule post, 21st, I'm gonna say 6 p.m. and then schedule. Okay, so now my video, you'll see that little notification pop up. If you go back to scheduled posts, you'll see the videos there, and it's next Monday. Both of these posts will go. That one, if you need to reschedule it, you can always do that. Go back in and change the time. So if I wanted to say 2 o'clock, I can click reschedule, and I just rescheduled it for then. And if I wanted to say 5 o'clock, I'm going to leave it at 6. So just so you can see how the scheduled posts are. So they'll post automatically, which is awesome. One thing to remember is click this and do manage notifications and make sure you're all posts so you can see everybody's comment. Sometimes if you just do most, you won't see everybody's comment. So that is Shannon. So another super helpful trick that I do is I edit my shortcuts to include all my parties. So there's Shannon's. Oh, I hope that's the right one. I have quite a few Shannon hostesses. So I'm going to just do the top one, assuming that was, this was the one I just did. Oh, no, it wasn't. Okay, so it was the second one. Let's see. Edit. Let's just sort automatically Shannon's, and then unfortunately I use the same. Okay, I'm thinking it's this one. Let's try that one. Okay. Oh no. Oh, come on. Yeah, okay, anyway, but you can add your, let's see, I'm gonna hide that one. Maybe that would help me. Okay, now let's do Shannon's. Okay, yeah, so now I know that's the right one. And it should be, yep, there it is. So that is one way you can just kind of have easy access. So you click the home button and then your shortcuts pop up. These are past parties I've had that I could probably file down, sort automatically, and then my other groups on there that I'm a part of. So yeah, anywho, I hope this video was helpful. You do the exact same thing for hostess coaching. You create the group, you use the Word document and then the graphics for it. This is my hostess coaching folder. There's my Word document for it, and then all the images that we use for the hostess coaching group. I'll just show you one. Let's see, who's my current hostess? Michelle's. And I'll say hostess coaching. And you sometimes, since you're creating two groups, you have to warn them, like, please don't add anybody to the group, because I've had hostesses add to the hostess group, which is not what you want them to do. You want them to invite to the actual gathering. So anywho, I've had that happen, which is not wonderful, but it's not a big deal. It's fixable, but it's always good to just give the hostess a heads up just so she knows. All right, ladies, I hope that helps, and I will post this video soon.